So Huawei Mate 30 Pro. So Huawei has launched a new device and it will be available in all other countries also, but it is available in Europe only for now, but it will be available in the other countries. So follow me on Instagram. I will update you all the news about Huawei. After that, let's talk about its display, because it's really exciting phone. Features, display, everything is exciting about this device. So let's talk about its display. So the front side of the screen, on the top of the screen, it is having a small thin notch over there. After that, the sides are rounded like the Samsung, but Huawei Mate 30 Pro are more rounded than the Samsung Galaxy devices. And you can also use that rounded edges of the phone to do some awesome things. Awesome features are provided to that, and the back design is identical, but it's really dope design. From the back and the front are really exciting. Now what's more exciting about the devices are their specs. Let's check out the specs. So now let's talk about Huawei Mate 30 Pro specs. So first of all, it is having screen of 6.53 inches of screen, and the pixel it is carrying width is 1176 into 2400 pixels in it. After that, it is having an octa-core processor which is running on 1.8 gigahertz. After that, it is having the Kirin 990 processor in it. They're not using Qualcomm, but this processor is really great for playing games and all the stuff that you want to do it on your phone. Really great processor. Moving on, it's having Android 10 processor in their phone. Not processor, Android 10 version in their phone. Yeah, Android 10. Newer stuff are coming on your phone. Moving on to its cameras. Really great things are coming for its cameras. You will be excited for the cameras. 4 cameras on the back of the phone. So the first camera is of 40 megapixel f1.6. Yes, 40 megapixel, you heard it right. Plus the second camera is also of 40 megapixel f1.6. If you combine both of the cameras, it becomes 80 megapixel. If you combine them, yeah, 80 megapixel. Moving on, it is the third camera is of 8 megapixel, and the last camera is 3D TOF camera, which is really great. If you want to replace the DSLR, this is the best phone for you. If you want to replace the DSLR, just joking. So do I recommend this phone? Should you buy this phone? So if you see, I have a little bit more knowledge than you. If you think so, I have little bit more knowledge than you, then my answer is yes. You should buy this phone. This is the best phone for you. You won't regret it if you buy it once. Just once. You won't regret it. Stabilization, specification, display, everything is there in this phone. You won't regret it, except the Play Store thing. There is more option to that. So you won't regret it if you buy it once. The cameras, everything is so great of this phone, and I am really loving this phone. This is not a perfect, but it's really great. It's really great phone. So yeah, thanks for watching this paper, and I'm signing out.